Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing safety and readiness. Do this now. Check that you are 6+ weeks postpartum or cleared by your provider because tissue healing matters. Next, test for diastases recti with fingertips during a gentle crunch and note any gap. If present, scale intensity. Avoid full sit-ups. Start a short 10-15 minute daily routine focused on pelvic floor activation and diaphragmatic breathing so you build control before adding load. Once done, you'll have a reliable baseline to progress from. Now you move into controlled strengthening. Focus on the how and why. Practice diaphragmatic breathing paired with a gentle transverse abdominis, TVA draw-in for 8-12 reps. This trains intra-abdominal support. Incorporate bird dog, glute bridge, and heel slides with slow tempo to protect the linea alba. Once those are solid, transition to standing anti-rotation chops and short loaded carries to teach the core to stabilize under functional load. Make sure to increase volume gradually and prioritize form versus speed or heavy weight. Finish by blending endurance, strength, and real-life movement patterns. Reintroduce low-impact cardio for 20-30 minutes, 3 times weekly, then layer in compound lifts once you have 3-6 months of consistent core control. Practice carrying kids, twisting safely, and breathing with exertion so gains transfer to daily life. If you notice a persistent bulge, new pain, or worsening separation, regress to earlier exercises and consult a pelvic floor physiotherapist. That troubleshooting step resolves most setbacks and keeps your progress safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.